Hey everybody, I'm back with more snacks on Nigel Knows Snacks. Today I got creamy dill pickle chips from Herr's. And I'm going to be holding them right here for pretty much the entire video because I learned how much it sucks if you got a bag with green on it, with a green screen. And you're all like, ooh, look at this bag, it's awful. So here we go, roll the fucking theme song, me.
What you know about Herr? 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 I know all about snacks.
Alright, so I got these at a place called Power Mart in Elmhurst. Something about the name, I was just determined to get there from where I was. It was the hub. They have a terrible mini golf course. If you love or even just respect mini golf, don't bother. It's all uneven. Some of the bricks are just they got batting cages, which it's a weird thing to do if you're not a baseball player. Just like, yeah, I'm just gonna spend some money hitting balls with a bat and nothing else. Anyways, as you can see, I left this on because it's from the actual chip company. It says make hers yours. And it actually lists it as about 70 cents cheaper than what's printed on the bag, which I think is awesome. I just like hers in general. I don't know if I'm gonna like these. Starts off, take a bite of this unique flavor sensation. Hers creamy dill potato chips. Her's takes the finest potatoes and cooks them in pure vegetable oil to a golden crispy crunch. We then sprinkle them with just the right amount of seasoning. We hope you enjoy all our uniquely flavored potato chips. In fact, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Signed, Ed Herr, President and CEO. So pretty much every single bag of Her's says that entire thing, except for the name of the chips. It will say unique flavor sensation, and then just tells you what they do with chips. It's okay. But yeah, honestly, if you're anywhere in Elmhurst and you see something called the Power Mart, go there. It's one of the best gas stations I've been in. It's like one of those ones you find when you're on a road trip and you're like, holy shit, this place has everything. They had handwritten signs for fidgety spinners. SIC with the things. That's just what the sign said. I just want to give a shout out to them. I don't know if anyone's ever going to see any of this, but anyways, let's just try these shits. Get a little zoom in on that. There's a DJ playing a chip like a record because things are cool. Alright. There you go. So they just kind of look like, maybe like sour cream and cheddar. Kind of smells like. Alright. So it kind of smelled a little vinegary, and then I really got in there. And it smells just like rye bread, which is weird. Pretty much just looks like sour cream and onion. It's pretty plain looking with little green dots. Let's do it. Creamy dill pickle. It's weird. It says creamy dill pickle on top, and then under it just says creamy dill. I don't know. Yeah, it kind of just tastes like tangy rye bread. That's really weird. There isn't that much like pickliness, picklosity. I forget what pickles taste like. I don't know. I mean, I like hers. I'm not really feeling these. They're just kind of like potato chips with the... I don't know how else to explain it. It kind of just tastes like rye bread. It's weird. I kind of like it. If they just called them like rye chips, I probably would have tried them anyways. Do a little crunch action for you. They're crispy. But that one just kind of tasted more like sour cream and onion. I mean, they're fine if you're looking for a pickle flavored chip. God, I've been holding this over here the whole time, haven't I? It's gonna look weird. I'm getting a little bit of something, but these are worth trying because I kind of like them, but if you're looking for pickle flavored chips, I would keep looking. This doesn't taste like pickles. They're good. They're kind of good. I like chips a lot, so as long as they're not just plain chips, fucking hook me up. Well, we'll see. I got a bunch of things I'm gonna go through, so I might have to revise that. But there you have it. Creamy dill pickle. Rye bread? I don't know. Just fucking eat them. That was too much. Too many chips. Don't forget to like and
What you know about snacks? I know all about snacks.